This is 100 Merrick Road West. Let's see what we got. Oh, fancy call stations already. That's on first impression. Staley? No. What is this? Monitor? Yep, monitor. Or no. Oh, what the? Found my buttons. Oh, what is this? Seaberg? No, Staley. These are also Staley. Interesting buttons. These are EPCO SSL-H. So my initial guess was right. These are Staley's. Are these hydro? Are you serious? There's no chance these are hydro. Guess we're about to find out. There's traction. They're slow though. Might get up upstairs. Wow, this thing is slow. Elevator Refurbishing maintains this. Might as well get a picture of the indicator while I have the chance. Ooh, the motor sound though. You can see the Staley plate kind of buried under there. Here's your inspection certificate. We'll send you off. Fancy. Jeez. Oh, that's a very interesting motor sound. I like these call button plates. Smoke detector for Ethan. Silent night. And it's very advanced. Pretty big doors. Oh, whoa, wait. This one looks shorter. Yeah, this one might be the service car. This one looks shorter than this one does. This building's very dated. It's definitely running on its original motor. Yeah, this one's definitely bigger. We'll take this one down to L. Wait. I'm pretty sure I heard a relay. Interesting. That's probably the original motors. These might be slap-on mods, I don't know. These are EPCO buttons. These buttons like stick out more. Did we just stop? Oh, we did. Down to 1? Yep. You're welcome. There you go.
I'm gonna go basement.
Oh, okay. I like how modern this first floor looks. And there it goes way out. Okay, I want to see something. If I get my thumbnail picture right here. Dude, I swear one looks bigger. It's cool seeing these buttons though. These are cool buttons. Anyways, that's it.